In this video, I'd just like to give you a quick introduction to our school information system and how you go about using the system. So firstly, you need to go to eschool.gy. When you come to the website, it takes you to the login page. You enter your user ID and your password and then hit sign in here. Now once you've signed in, you automatically go to the dashboard. And here you have a few sections. So you have the student quick search, which allows you to quickly search for a student by the name. You have the upcoming birthdays and students that are absent for today. The main way that you access the different sections or the different modules of the system is through the use of this menu bar at the top here. Now we have a few menus. So you have the students menu, the financials menu, examinations menu, and so on. Under the students menu, you'd find the list of students, and you have alumni, the graduates, students who would have dropped out, and registrations for the students. The financial section takes you through information such as the outstanding charges or outstanding invoices, payments that came in, and it gives you a payment summary report also. The exam section allows you to manage all your school exams, all CXC exams that have been written, enter student grades and so on, so that the parents can see it on the student section of the site. And from these exams, the system automatically generates a report booklet for the students. School management menu allows you to manage your academic periods, create new academic period. You can generate attendance register from right here and manage your school holidays so that these are reflected in the attendance register. You can manage the different classes that are in your school and the levels of these classes, subclasses, teachers, timetables, etc. The public information section allows you to manage and edit information that are displayed on the public website that comes with this school information system. So the facilities that you have, frequently asked questions, testimonials, your facilities, photographs, and your slideshows, awards and achievements, and so on. If you have the student forums, you can manage your forums directly from this menu, and then most administrative users would have access to the system menu, which would allow you to view all the list of people who interact with the school, whether they're parents or guardians, emergency contacts, and so on. You can view a list of schools in the system, streams, sport houses, health issues, which we can set to different students so that we know which students have which health issues, the different locations that your school has, and the users of your school. So you can manage a user's, disable a user account, add a new user, and give new rules and permissions to a user from here. So these are the menus that separate the different sections of the information system. And I wanted to show you a little bit more in depth on specific pages. So let's go to the students page. Each page like this here, it has a few sections. So there's the title that gives you an option to add a new record. In this case, the new record would be a new student. And below that is the list of information. Now, right above the list of information, there's a filter section which allows you to filter the information that is displayed here. So let's say your school has thousands of students. All of these students would be displayed on this list here, and the filters allows you to pull up a specific subset of the students that you have. So for example, let's say we want to see the 2019-2020 students who are doing agricultural science. We have Joshua Kisoon here who is doing agricultural science. The filtering is actually very powerful. We can even take this further. So if we want to see the male English language students from all our locations that are in Form 1, we can pull that up. And we see we have 2 males who do English language that are at our test location and are in Form 1. So you can combine these filters in any way that you see fit, and it brings up a list of students that match the filters, and the filtering functionality is very, very powerful. So you'll find on all of the listing pages, we have this filtering functionality. So if you go to financials and payments, you can search for a student, or you want to find the month that the payment was made, or the specific date that the payment was made. You can filter payments by that, and similarly for exams if you want to filter by class tests or end of term and so on. So this is just a quick drill down on the listing pages and the filtering and how we use these pages. Now, if you want to view a specific record now, so let's say we were looking at all the students who did agricultural science and we see Joshua Kisoon here. You want to view the specific record, you can just click on this view icon here. You click on it, it takes you to the record. In this case, this is a student page. And now we can view all the information about this student. We can view registrations, payments, and so on for this student. Coming back to the student's listing page, if you want to add a new record, you click New Student, you fill in the information, and then you just hit the Save Student button at the bottom there, and the student gets saved. So this here is a quick introduction on the school information system, the different sections, and how we use pages in the information system. When you're finished using the software, what you'd want to do is to log out so that no one else can use your account, because everything that is done by a user has an audit trail. So when you're finished, you just hit log out, and this logs you out from the information system.